Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we are going to solve this sum. See how to solve this sum. What he is telling you, if the cost of a scale is 8 rupees, what is the cost of scale? 8 rupees. How many scales can you get for 40 rupees? If you are having 40 rupees with you, then how many scales can you buy with 40 rupees? He is asking you. See how to do this sum. What I will do, I will go to the shopkeeper and I will ask him to give one scale. First what I will do, I will buy one scale. Okay, 40. Then what we need to do, we need to remove 8 rupees out of 40 rupees. Okay, 0 minus 8 you can't do, you need to do the borrowing subtraction. Okay, 10 minus 8, and for 4 you will get 3 here. You know how to do borrowing subtraction. 10 minus 8 is how much? 2. 3 you will write here. You are left with how many rupees? 32 rupees. Now how many scales you buyed? You already bought one scale. See, okay, now what I will do, okay, I am having 32 rupees. Again I will buy one more scale. What I need to do, again I need to remove 8 out of 32. Again we need to do here borrowing subtraction, because from 2 you can't remove 8. 3 you will become 2. 12 minus 8 is how much? 4. 2 you will get here. You are left with how much? 24 rupees. Now I am having 24 rupees. Now again I will buy one more scale. 24 minus 8, 14 you need to do here, because from 4 you can't remove 8. 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. 1 you will write here. I am left with how many rupees? 16 rupees. Now I will again take 16 rupees and I will buy one more scale. Then what we need to do, you need to remove 8 rupees from 16 rupees. From 6 you can't remove 8. Do the borrowing subtraction here. 1 will become here 0. Okay, 16 minus 8 is how much? 8. I am left with how many rupees? 8 rupees. Again I will take 8 rupees and buy one more scale. 8 minus 8 is how much? 0. Now tell me how many scales we buy. See here, 1, because first I buy one scale, that's why I have removed 8 rupees out of 40 rupees. Again I buy one more scale here. Here one more here. Again here one more. 1 here, see, 2, 3 scales up to here. Here 4th scale. Here 5 scales. How many scales I buy totally? 5 scales. How I got to know this? See what I done. Every time I have done here subtraction. I have subtracted the same number. 8 here also 8 I subtracted. Here also it's 8 I subtracted. Here 8. Here also 8. Here also 8. Every time I am subtracting the same number. This is called as what? Repeated subtraction. It is called as what? Repeated subtraction. Okay, when we are doing repeated subtraction, it will take more time. Why? Because see here, if sometimes we need to do here borrowing subtraction. If the number is not going out of this, we need to do what? Borrowing subtraction. Also we need to do the subtraction correctly. If we done any wrong, means you will get the answer here wrong. This is a very lengthy process. Instead of doing repeated subtraction, what we can do is, we can do what? Division. Instead of doing repeated subtraction, what we can do? Division. Okay, now see how to do the find out the answer for this. Solution. What is the first line he has given? If the cost of a scale is 8 rupees. First he is telling you that cost of a scale is 8 rupees. I will write the same here. Cost of scale is equal to how much? 8 rupees. Next what he is telling you, how many scales can you get for 40 rupees? He is having the amount, how much amount of money? 40 rupees. I will write the same here. Amount of money is equal to how much? 40 rupees. How many scales can you get? Number of scales we get. What I will write here? Number. I am not writing the full spelling of the number. I am just writing NO. You need to write the full spelling. Number of scales we get is equal to What I need to write here? I need to write the big number first. What is the biggest number here? In 40 and 8, 40 is the big. Well, that's why I will write 40 divided by 8. Okay. Now I will write the answer here. See, we need to divide the 40 with 8. What I need to write first? I need to write the 40 first here. Okay, 40. What I need to do next? I need to write the 2 years. Next I will write the next number. What is the next number? 8. 8. First, what you need to do when you are having more than one number means you need to take the first number. What you need to do? You need to take the first number 4. You need to check whether 4 is less than 8, greater than 8 or equal to 8. 4 is what? Less than 8. That's why what you need to do whenever you are getting less than means you need to take the next number also. What is the next number here? 0. Now I will take two numbers. 4 0 is how much? 40. You need to read which table? 8 table until you get 40. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. What I need to write here? 5. 8 fives are 40. 4 0 40 I will write here. Now what do you need to do? You need to do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. What is the answer you need to write? 5. What you need to write here? 5. The whatever you get in the right year, that you will write here as a answer. How many scales you are getting, children? 5 scales. I think you have understood this.